Welcome to the CompuKids Basic Tutorials Part 3. In this lesson, we'll be going over the Start menu. To access the Start menu, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Windows button. This should open up, the Start menu. Now, at first, the Start menu will look somewhat complicated, but once you break it down, you'll find that it's very simple and easy to use. Let's start from the left, going to the right. First, let's take a look at the Expand button. This just expands the buttons on the side, showing the full names of them. You have the user, the settings, and the power. At the bottom of that, let's click on the user. Alright, here you have the option to change account settings, lock the account, sign out from the current account, or sign in to another account. Under that, you have the settings, which we'll get into more detail in a future lesson. And the last button is the power button. You click on this and it opens up these three options to put your PC to sleep or standby, to shut down, or to restart. Next, let's take a look at this sidebar. You'll see right at the top there's the write-in most used. These are not actually the most used apps, it's just the Windows default app, some of the Windows default apps. Under that, it displays every program on your PC in alphabetical order. Alright, you can click on each of them and it'll open. Now let's take a look at the tiles. These tiles represent icons. So if you click on each of these, they'll open a different program. For example, if you click on Microsoft Edge, it'll open up Windows default browser. If you click on Mail, it'll open up Windows default Mail. Alright, and so forth with the rest of them. Now there's a few things that you can do to customize the tiles. First, you right click and you can unpin from start. This means you can take it out from your start menu, which is what we're going through in this lesson. Another thing you can do is add stuff to your tiles. To do this, you right click on the icons on the side and you say pin to start. This brings it at the bottom. You can click and drag it and place it wherever you want. I'm going to replace my previous tile with the new one. Another customization option that you can do is resize. So there's the small, the medium, which is its default, the wide, and the large. Alright, and like I said before, you can move them around and basically drag them wherever you think they should fit. Another thing you can do is uninstall the app or the program. This means remove it completely from your computer. Now, if you hover over the More tab, it'll open up these extra bit of options which aren't really necessary. Well, that brings us to the end of the CompuKids Basic Tutorial Part 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.